How to buy the Graph token, GRT. Beginner's Guide. What is the Graph, GRT? The Graph is an indexing protocol for querying data for networks like Ethereum and IPFS, powering many applications in both DeFi and the broader Web3 ecosystem. Anyone can build and publish open APIs, called subgraphs, that applications can query using GraphQL to retrieve blockchain data. There is a hosted service in production that makes it easy for developers to get started building on the Graph, and the decentralized network will be launching later this year. The Graph currently supports indexing data from Ethereum, IPFS and POA, with more networks coming soon. To date, over 3,000 subgraphs have been deployed by thousands of developers, for dApps like Uniswap, Synthetic, Aragon, AAVE, Gnosis, Balancer, Livepeer, Daostack, Decentraland and many others. The Graph usage has been growing at over 50% MOM and hit over 7 billion queries during the month of September 2020. The Graph has a global community, including over 200 indexer nodes in the testnet and more than 2,000 curators in the Curator program as of October 2020. To fund network development, the Graph raised funds from community members, strategic VCs and influential individuals in the blockchain community including Coinbase Ventures, DCG, Framework, Parafi Capital, CoinFund, DTC, Multicoin, Reciprocal Ventures, SPC, Tally Capital and others. The Graph Foundation also successfully completed a public GRT sale with participation from 99 countries, not including the US. To date, as of November 2020, the Graph has raised $25 million. Who are the founders of the Graph? The Graph team includes professionals from the Ethereum Foundation, OpenZeppelin, Decentraland, Orchid, MuleSoft leading up to the IPO and acquisition by Salesforce, Puppet, Red Hat and Barclays. The initial co-founding team includes Yaniv Tal, project lead, Brandon Ramirez, research lead, and Yannis Pullman, tech lead. The founders have engineering backgrounds and have worked together for 5 to 8 years. Tal and Ramirez studied electrical engineering at USC and worked together at MuleSoft, an API developer tools company that underwent an IPO and sold to Salesforce. They previously co-founded a developer tools startup together and have spent a significant portion of their careers working to optimize the API stack. At their last startup, the founders built a custom framework on an immutable database called Datomic. The Graph was born from this vision to create immutable APIs and data access, using the GraphQL query language. What makes the Graph unique? The Graph is working to bring reliable decentralized public infrastructure to the mainstream market. To ensure economic security of the Graph network and the integrity of data being queried, participants use Graph token, GRT. GRT is a work token that is locked up by indexers, curators and delegators in order to provide indexing and curating services to the network. GRT will be an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, used to allocate resources in the network. Active indexers, curators and delegators can earn income from the network proportional to the amount of work they perform and their GRT stake. Indexers earn indexing rewards, new issuance, and query fees, while curators earn a portion of query fees for the subgraphs they signal on. Delegators earn a portion of income earned by the indexer they delegate to. Quick guide: how to buy GRT. Get some Bitcoin to exchange for this cryptocurrency. Register for an account with an exchange like Binance. Enable two-factor authentication. Click on Funds and select Deposits. Select Deposit Coin. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Transfer BTC into your account. Click Exchange and select Basic. Search for the pair you want to trade. Select a limit, market or stop limit order. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review transaction details. Confirm your purchase. Where to buy GRT. Comparing exchanges can help you find the right fit for your needs. We've looked at more than 20 exchanges, and you can sort our comparison table by deposit method, fiat currency support and crypto support. You can find GRT tokens on the following crypto in the video description.